What time do you wake up every day?
I wake up at 6 a.m. every day.
What do you do after waking up?
After waking up, I wash my face and then go for a walk.
When do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 8 a.m.
What time do you go to college?
I leave for college at 9 a.m.
When do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 1 p.m.
What do you do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I take some rest and then continue my work.
What do you do in the evening?
In the evening, I play with my friends or go for a walk.
When do you have dinner?
I have dinner at 8 p.m.
What do you do before going to bed?
Before going to bed, I read a book or use my phone.
What time do you go to sleep every day?
I go to bed at 10 p.m. every night.